There are 4 different kinds of dishwasher detergent that can be used in your dishwasher: liquid, powder, tablets, and gel packs. When using powder or liquid detergents, always make sure to use the recommended amount of detergent. Water hardness and soil levels are very important when determining how much detergent to use. The harder your water is, the more detergent you will need. Make sure you read your owner's manual for information. The tablets and gel packs are pre-measured and are suitable for all hardness and soil levels. Never use detergent that is old or clumpy. Old detergent does not dissolve as easily and therefore will not remove the food soils from dishes. Never use dish or hand soap because this will cause oversudsing. To find the right part for this and other do-it-yourself repairs, visit SearsPartsDirect.com or call Sears PartsDirect toll-free at 1-888-206-3622.